Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ICSE Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5 quadratic equation 1 variable exercise 5.5 question number 41 to 46. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.
Let us solve this question here. Ritu bought a sari for rupees 60x, means the cost price of the sari is 60x and sold it for rupees 500 plus 4x at a loss of x%. We have to find the cost price in this, the value of cost price we have to find. Firstly, we'll find the loss percent, and by putting the value of loss percent in this, we can find the value of cost price. Because their cost price is given to us as 60x and selling price is equal to 500 plus 4x. So we can write the selling price here is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percent divided by 100. So if we put all the values here in this formula, this will become 60x because CP is 60x. Then SP is 500 plus 4x. By making a quadratic equation, now we will solve it. 100 minus x divided by 100. So 0, 0 will be cancelled out here and we will get 500 plus 4x into 10 equal to 6x into 100 minus x. So this we will solve. That will become 5000 plus 40x equal to 600x minus 6x square. Making a quadratic equation, now we will solve it. So it will become as 6x square this side minus 600x plus 40x plus 5000 equal to 0. So on solving again we will get 6x square. 600 minus 40 will become 560 here. So 560x plus 5000 equal to 0. Now I'll cancel out this part. By cancelling, this will be cancelled out by 2. So 3, then after that 280, again here 2, 2500. Now we can cancel out this part with 3. So it will become as, or now we will not cancel out this part. It will become 3x square minus 280x plus 2500. So now we can factorize this. So on factorizing, it will become as 3x square minus 30x minus 250x plus 2500 equal to 0. So taking 3x as common, it will become x minus 10. Now minus 250, if we take common, that will again become x minus 10 equal to 0. From that, x is equal to 10 or x is equal to 250 by 3. Because 250 by 3 is not possible here because it is the value in fraction. So the loss percent here we have find it x percent is equal to 10%. This is the loss percent. By putting the value in 60x cost price, we will find the value of cost price as 60 into 10. That will become rupees 600 is the cost price here. And this is only we have to find. So this is the final answer of question number 41 here. Let us solve this question 42 first part. The sum of the ages of Vivek and his younger brother Amit is 47 years and the product of the ages in years is 550. We have to find the ages. So firstly we will let the Vivek age be x years. So from that we can write, because the sum is 47, so brother's age of Vivek, that is Amit, the age will be 47 minus x years. So from that, on multiplying, we will form a quadratic equation. By multiplying this ages is equal to 550 and then we will solve that quadratic equation. So x into 47 minus x equal to 550 will be 47x minus x square equal to 550. Then it will become x square minus 47x plus 550 equal to 0. So again solving, that will become x square minus 25x minus 22x plus 550 equal to 0. We will take common, that will become x minus 25 here, and on taking 22 as common, minus 22, again it will become x minus 25. From there we can write x is equal to 22 or x is equal to 25. So both the values we can write. So the ages here, Vivek age will be 22. If it will be 22, then the brother's age is 47 minus 22, that is 25. So hence we can write, if x is 22, 47 minus x we can write it as 25, and if x is 25, 47 minus x is equal to 22. And because here it is said the younger brother's age we have to find, So means Vivek age is 25 and the younger brother is age of 22 years. Hence, this part we will not take. This is wrong because younger brother is asked in the question. So this is the final solution of this question, final answer, and this is the solution of question number 42, first part. Now let us solve this question. Question number 42, second part. Paul is X years old and his father's age is twice the square of Paul's age. So presently here it is given that Paul's age, Paul's age is X years and the father's age is given to us as twice of X square years. So from that we can write the 10 years hence father's age will be 4 times of Paul's age. After 10 years means after 10 years if we write the age that is given as Paul's age, if we write, that will be x plus 10 years, and if we write the father's age, that will be 2x square plus 10 years. And in the condition it is written that after 10 years son's father's age will be 4 times of Paul's age. So we will make a quadratic equation of that and we will solve it to find their present ages. So it will become as 2x square plus 10 is 4 times of Paul's age. So x plus 10 here. On multiplying it will become 2x square plus 10 equal to 4x plus 40 equal here. On solving it will become 2x square minus 4x plus 10 minus 40 equal to 0 as 2x square minus 4x minus 30 equal to 0. This will be cancelled out by 15 and here we will get x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. So x square on factorizing we will get x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 equal to 0. Taking x as common it will become x minus 5 plus 3 as common again x minus 5 equal to 0. So from that we can write x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 5 because negative value in age we can't take, hence x is equal to 5 is the value we are going to take to find the present ages. So if we write Paul's age by finding the value of x, that will become present ages will be x plus 10, 5 plus 10, that will be present ages is. So that will become Paul's age will be x means 5 years and the father's age will be 2 into 5 ka whole square. So that will become 25 into 2. So 50 years is the father's age. So Paul's age is 5 years and father's age is 50 years. So this is the answer here in this question and this is the solution of question number 42, second part. Now let us solve this question. The age of a man is twice the square of the age of his son. 8 years hence the age of the man will be 4 years more than the 3 times the age of his son. Find the present ages. So if we write the present age of son, present age of son will be x years. So that will become x years and the father's age is twice of the square of the son's age. So this is father's age. And 8 years hence if it is written, so 8 years hence if we write, that will become son's age if we write, son's age is x plus 8 years. And if we write father's age will be 2x square plus 8 years. That will become on comparing the man will be 4 years more than 3 times the age of his son. So it will become 2x square plus 8 equal to 3 times x plus 8 plus 4 more. On making a quadratic equation we will solve, so it will become 2x square plus 8 equal to 3x plus 24 plus 4. So 2x square plus 8 equal to 3x plus 28. And on solving this quadratic equation, it will form 2x square minus 20 minus 20 only we will write and minus 3x this side equal to 0. So we can write 2x square minus 3x in quadratic equation form equal to 0 and 2x square minus 5x or sorry 8x we will write minus 8x plus 5x minus 20 equal to 0. Taking 2x as common it will become x minus 3 and here 5 as common again x minus 4 it is. So it is also 4 here. X minus 4 equal to 0. From that x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So this is not possible. Hence we will take x is equal to 4 is the only possible value here. And if x is equal to 4, we have to find the present ages. So if we put in present ages, x years will be 4 years is the age of sun presently, and 2x square means 2 into 4 ka whole square, that will become 16, and 16 into 2 will be 12 this side, and this will be 32 years. So 32 years is the age of father and 4 years is the age of son. So this is the final answer which we have to find in this question, and this is the final solution of question number 43 by solving it with quadratic equation. Now let us solve this question. Question number 44. 2 years ago, a man's age was 3 times the square of his daughter's age. 3 years hence, his age will be 4 times his daughter's age, and find their present ages. So if we write 2 years ago, for 2 years ago, if we write, that will become as daughter's age, we will let it as x. So that will become as x years. And if we write man's age will be 3 times the square of his daughter's age. So 3x square years. And the present ages means after 2 years. Present ages will be after 2 years only. So the present ages, daughter's age will become as daughter's age will be x plus 2 years. And if we write the man's age, that will become as 3x square plus 2 years. So present ages is this, and after 3 years hence his age will be 4 times his daughter's age. So if we write 3 years hence, because this is only we have to compare here, so 3 years hence daughter's age will be x plus 2 plus 3 years equal to x plus 5 years here. And if we write man's age will become as 3x square plus 2 plus 3 years. So that will become as 3x square plus 5 years. And on comparing that, 3 years hence his age will be 4 times his daughter's age. So man's age is 3x square plus 5 is 4 times his daughter's age. So 4 into x plus 5. So from that on, forming a quadratic equation, again we will solve. It will become 3x square plus 5 equal to 4x plus 20 here, and 3x square minus 4x plus 5 minus 20 equal to 0, as 3x square minus 4x minus 15 equal to 0. So here we can factorize this, because 15 into 3 will be 45, and 3x square minus 9x plus 5x minus 15 equal to 0. Factorizing this, 3x is common, x minus 3 plus 5 is common, x minus 3 equal to 0. From that, x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 5. So negative value we can't take, so x is equal to 3 we will take. So the present ages if we have to find here, so present ages, if we put x is equal to 3, that is 5 years is the age of daughter, and 3x square plus 2 will be 3 into 20, sorry 9, 3 into 9, because 3 into 3 will be 9 plus 2 will be, so 9 into 3 will become 27, and 27 plus 2 will be 29 years. So 29 years is the age of man. So this is the final answer in this question, which we have to find the present ages, and this is the final solution of question number 44 here. Now let us solve this question. Question number 45. The length in centimeter of the hypotenuse of right angle triangle exceeds the length of one side by 2 centimeter. So here let the one side be x centimeter, and let the other side be y centimeter. From that we can write the length of one side by 2 centimeter, means the hypotenuse, if we write by comparing these two sides, if we take x side, that will become x plus 2, and if we take the side, another side y, hypotenuse is equal to 2y plus 1. So on comparing here, we can write x plus 2 is equal to 2y plus 1. This is the same side hypotenuse only. So here we can write x equal to 2y plus 1 minus 2. So x is equal to 2y minus 1 here. And this is the first equation, let it as. And by Pythagoras theorem, by applying Pythagoras theorem here, we can write x square plus y square. The square of both the sides is equal to 2y plus 1 ka whole square, that is the hypotenuse. So we'll form equation from here, x square plus y square equal to 4y square plus 1 plus 4y. So that will become x square plus y square minus 4y square minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. From that, x square taking and here we can put instead of x the value of 2y minus 1 from equation first here. That way we'll put certain putting 2y minus 1 ka whole square plus y square minus 4y square minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. So that will become 4y square plus 1 minus 4y plus y square minus 4y square minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. This will be cancel out, 4y square and 4y square minus 4y, and here also this is minus 4y, hence we can write it as y square minus 8y, and this will be also cancel out. Taking y as common, it will become y minus 8 equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 or y is equal to 8, from there we can write. So if we take y is equal to 0, it is not possible because any side can't be 0 here if it has hypotenuse there. So here y is equal to 8 if we put, so then y is equal to 8 will be x is equal to 2 into 8 minus 1. So 16 minus 1, that is 15 centimeters. So x is equal to 15 centimeter from there, and the perimeter of this will become, because we have found it one side, then y is equal to 8 here centimeter here, and the hypotenuse will become 15 plus 2, that is 17, and that is again 17 only. So hypotenuse here is, we have found it as 17 centimeter. So we can write the perimeter here. Perimeter is the sum of all the sides of a triangle. So perimeter we can write x plus y, 15 plus 8 plus 17. So on solving, it will become 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this will be 12 here. On carrying, this will become 32 plus 8, means 40 centimeter is the perimeter, and area of triangle will be half into both sides. So half into 15 into 8, this will be cancelled out by 4, and 15 into 4 will become 60 here. So 60 centimeter square is the area of triangle. So this is the final answer in this question, and this is the solution of question number 45 here. Let us solve this question here. If twice the area of a smaller square is subtracted from the area of a larger square, the result is 14 centimeter. Means let the side of a smaller square be x centimeter and side of the larger square be y centimeter. Then according to the given condition, we can write y square minus 2x square is 14 according to the question. However, if twice the area of the larger square is added to 3 times the area of a smaller square, the result is 203 centimeter square. So that is twice the area of the larger square plus thrice the area of the smaller square is equal to 203 centimeter square. So this is the second equation here if we write. So on solving this, we have to determine the sides of the two squares. So we can write y square from the first equation as 14 plus 2x square. Putting 14 plus 2x square here, that is 14 plus 2x square plus 3x square is equal to 203. So this will become 8, and this will become 28 plus 4x square plus 3x square equal to 203. From there, 4x square plus 3x square is equal to 203 minus 28. So that will become 7x square, and 203 minus 28 will become 13 minus 8 will be 5, and this will be 19 minus 2 will be 175. Cancelling this will be 25. So x square is equal to 25, and x is equal to plus minus 5. So minus 5 we are not taking, so minus 5 will be rejected here because the side cannot be negative here. So we will take x is equal to 5. From that, we have to write the determine the sides of the two square. So let the side of the smaller square be 5 centimeter. So that is 5 centimeter, and let the side, if we want to calculate the side of larger square, we will put in the first equation and we will find the value of y. So that will become y square is equal to 14 plus 2x square. So putting 14 plus 2 into 5 square will be 25, so 50. That will become 64 here. So this will become 64 and y square. So y is equal to plus minus 8 here. We will take the positive value, hence 8 centimeter is the side of the larger square. So this is the answer here in this question, and this is the solution of question number 46 here, which is asked in the question we have calculated here.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.